Hello children, how are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe. I'm Mrs. Rani, 3rd standard Maths teacher. Kindly follow all safety measures children. Wash your hands frequently. Eat healthy foods. Avoid going out unnecessarily and spend good time with your parents. And please don't waste time in watching TV and video games. In our last class, measurement of length, that is unit number 4, we started converting meter into centimeter. We have done nearly 5 sums. Isn't it children? You all practiced? You understood children? In standard units of length, we have millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. This is the order. Okay children, this we have learned last 2 classes. Just before going to the conversion, I want to recall this again and make you easily understand the conversion. Okay children, so millimeter, 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. Okay, and 100 centimeters makes 1 meter and 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. So these are the standard unit measurements. Okay children, you should remember this very clearly. Then only it will be easy for you to do the conversion sums. Okay. In our last video, we started doing converting meter into centimeter. That is, when we have the standard units order I taught you, isn't it? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, isn't it? In that, centimeter to meter we are going to convert. Okay, in this, when you are getting meter and when you are going to convert into centimeter, you are going to multiply. Okay children, this you should not forget. And today what we are going to do is, from centimeter to meter we are going to do the conversion. That is, we are going to divide it. See, multiplication is very easy, as we last class itself we have done. That is, repeatedly we will be adding. Repeated addition is the multiplication. Okay children, same way repeated subtraction said to be a division. So division means nothing, it's not a very tough or it's not very difficult topic. Okay children, division means you are going to subtract it, you are going to cut. You think like that, if you have a big cake, you want to equally cut and share to your family, how you will be cutting it? You will be equal portions you will be cutting. Same way, division, equally you are going to cut the numbers or subtract the numbers repeatedly. Okay children, okay, let's go into today's topic. Today we are going to start doing the conversion centimeter to meter. Okay, first sum we have 800 centimeter is here. Okay, in this 800 centimeter we are going to convert into meter. Okay, so first last class I taught you like that you write in the rough column. Okay, in the rough column, in the order we are writing. Okay, in the order means that I showed you like a steps, isn't it? Centimeter, meter, kilometer, like that. Okay, we want only centimeter and meter now, right? So centimeter will be the first and meter will be the second. So now we are going to convert the centimeter to meter. That is, when you convert like this, centimeter to meter, this is the division. Okay, so children, you should not forget this step. Okay, okay, first you have to write the formula. Formula, what is the formula? 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay children, this is the formula. Okay, after writing this, write the same number. What is the number here? 800 centimeter, right? Equal to, okay, the same 800 you write this side. What multiplication or division, what we are going to do now? We are going to do division, isn't it? Okay, so write the division symbol. This is the division symbol. Okay children, okay, what number we are going to divide? With this formula, this is the standard number, isn't it? So now I am going to write the 100 here. 100 centimeter. All are clear with this children? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, how we are going to divide this? See, where I am writing in the rough. Okay, when I am taking 800, okay, I wanted to do division with the 100. Okay, 100 I am going to divide the 800. how many times the 100 will be inside the 800 I want to find out. See, always I said the zeros are not having any value. So leave off all these zeros and just tell me this numbers alone. How many ones are inside the 8? 8 ones will be inside the 8, isn't it? 8 ones will be there in the 8, isn't it? If you take 8 fingers, how many ones will be there? 8 ones, isn't it? Like that. Okay, I'm writing this. I'm taking both the zeros when the 8 ones are 8, isn't it? So I'm taking both the zeros down, right? So 8 times 800s are there in the 800. So 0. Understood, children? This is very, very simple and easy. Okay, you don't need to be afraid. Okay, so answer, what is the answer? The answer is 8, right? So what we are finding out now? We are changing, that is converting centimeter into meter. So 800 centimeter equal to 8 meter. So answer equal to 8 meter. All are clear, children? Is it easy only, no? Yes. Okay. Next sum we are going to do here. Okay. Before starting, write this centimeter and meter. The steps always you start writing. Then it will be very easy for you to follow and it won't be having any confusion. When you are getting right side this arrow, division. Right side, multiplication. Like that also you can remember. Okay, children? First I am writing the formula. What is the formula? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is the formula, right? Yes? Okay, good. Then I am writing the question number. What is the question number? 2900 centimeter. This is the question, right? I am taking the same number and writing here 2900, right? Divided by 100. Okay, and one more simple method in this, when you are getting a bigger number like this, even you no need to do all these division steps. Easily what you can do, how many zeros are here? 1, 2. Like that, this number in the question number, leave the last 2-digit number, that is ones, tens, right? Okay, you just leave this last 2-digit numbers. When you are leaving, only 29 will be there, isn't it? So you can write like this, 29, you put a dot here, okay, write a dot, okay. So this will be an answer. We can divide and cross check this also. You can leave this 2 zeros in this number because this zero is not having any value, isn't it? So 1 time 29 you are dividing, 29 times it will come. Yes or no, right? So the answer will be 29 meters. All are feeling easy only, no? Isn't it? Isn't it, children? It's easy only, no? Now we are moving to the third sum. First I am writing the steps, that is centimeter, meter. Okay, we are converting centimeter into meter. So this is the division. Okay, then I have to write the formula. What is the formula? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This is the formula. And write down the question number as it is. 5000 centimeter equal to the same number. Just write down here. That is 5000. Okay. And divided by, what is the number? 100. Okay. 100 centimeter. Okay, children. Okay, you can use the division method or the shortcut method I taught you, know, last 2 digit alone you can leave and keep the dot. Okay, so what I'm using here, I'm using the shortcut method. I'm leaving last 2 digit numbers, that is I'm writing the same number as it is here and leaving last 2 digit numbers, that is this 0 and the next 0. Okay, no value here, isn't it? So this ones and tens I'm leaving and just writing a dot, putting a dot here. So this answer will be 50 meters. All are clear now, children? Is this very easy? Okay, good. I hope you understood today's topic, converting centimeter into meter. So I have done 3 sums now, children. Please practice these 2 sums, seeing this video about these 3 sums. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. In the next class, we are going to learn about converting meter into kilometer. Okay, children? Okay, children, I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye.